Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. I have another collaboration video going on, and this is for a raised bed by Woto. They reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to collaborate with them on this video. Guys, I put this raised bed together, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what this raised bed looks like. The instructions are very simple, straight to the point. It is a lot of screws, but you don't need a screwdriver, and that's one of the things that I liked about this. I wish they had a better picture of it so that I could show you guys, but it's just you basically put it in and you screw it together. That's it. You don't need a screwdriver. You need no additional tools. You just put the bolt in, you screw it. I'm going to show you guys exactly what that looks like inside the video, but it's a very nice raised bed. It's a little bit smaller than what I expected it to be, but you know what? I'm going to make use of that space. I'm going to clear out the raised bed that I already have here, and it's going to give me an opportunity to put at least another couple of trees inside of the area, the small area that I have. So even though it came a little bit smaller than I thought, even though I saw the specs, I guess my thoughts of it was a little bit larger, but I'm just gonna make it happen the way that I make it happen. And the fact that I have a small tribe, I don't really need that large of a raised bed since I've already acquired another large raised bed. All right, guys, so I'm in the process of revamping my garden, and this is a great help to me. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is the completed product. All right, so that's what it looks like, and this comes in at a cheaper price point than the other raised beds that I have done in the past. So it's a really nice raised bed, and like I said, no tools required. If you need a little assistance, you know, it is what it is. Just to put it together, I did this all by myself, so it's just a matter of putting in the screws and tightening it up. So that's this raised bed by Woto. I'll put the link down in the description if you're interested, so you can go and check it out. You know the motto on the page, but if you don't, each one teach one. It's your Cali Bro J, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Peace and blessings.